Numbers big and small, let's learn together, one and all. One little duck goes quack so bright, splashing water full of light. Number one is easy to see, just one duck swimming happily. Two little ducks in the pond so blue, quack, 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 they stick like glue. Swimming circles, having fun, number two has just begun. Three little ducks go splash and dive, happy and free, feeling alive. One, two, three in a happy crew, learning numbers is fun to do. Four little ducks near the green tree, wiggling tails so happily. Quack, 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 they jump and play, number four is here today. Five little ducks in a row, waddling fast, off they go, splashing water loud and bright. Number five feels just right. Six little ducks under the sun, running and laughing, full of fun. Quack, quack, echo everywhere, number six is in the air. Seven little ducks on the shore, playing games and asking for more. Wings are flapping, hearts so free, counting joy is easy to see. Eight little ducks, what a sight, splashing water, pure delight. All together, strong and true, counting fun from 1 to 2 to 10 with you. Now you know from 1 to 10. Let's count again and again. Little duck says quack goodbye, see you soon in the counting sky. Quack, quack, wow, fun won't end, learning numbers with your ducky friend.